Buckingham Palace isn't the best part of London, neither is the London Eye, or Oxford Street. Most travelers leave having seen the postcard version, and missing the real city entirely. 6 swaps, real costs, exact logistics. Here's what they missed. Skip standing in line for a building you mostly can't go inside. The changing of the guard is free. It runs about 45 minutes. No ticket. Get to the Victoria Memorial 20 minutes early. Stand on the steps facing the palace gates. You'll see the guards march in. The band plays. You've ticked the box without losing your entire morning. Logistics. Nearest tube is Green Park or St. James's Park, 5 to 8 minutes on foot. Summer crowds pack the railings. The memorial steps still give you the cleanest angle. Done right, you're gone before the tour buses finish unloading. Hotel afternoon tea runs £60 to £80 a head. Reservations weeks out. You're photographing a tiered tray next to other tourists doing the same thing. Same warm scones, same clotted cream, same loose leaf tea. Walk into a cafe in Soho or Covent Garden. £12 to £18, no reservation. Surrounded by Londoners, not tripods. I've done both. One is a ritual, the other is a receipt you'll regret. Logistics, Covent Garden or Leicester Square tube. Walk 2 minutes. Peak afternoon is busiest. Go mid-morning or after 3 if you want a seat without hovering. Oxford Street is Zara and Boots repeated for a mile. Fluorescent lights, chain bags, zero soul. Camden Market is street food from 6 continents, vinyl shops that haven't changed since the 70s, and canal energy you will not find on a high street. You go to Oxford Street to shop. You go to Camden to actually be in London. Logistics, Northern Line to Camden Town. Follow the crowd toward the lock. 2 minutes. Weekends are packed. Go weekday morning if you hate shoulder to shoulder. Cash helps at smaller stalls. Cards work most places now. Budget 2 hours if you're eating and browsing. 1 hour if you're just tasting the vibe. The tube is undeniably efficient, a marvel of engineering that gets you from A to B, but it's also underground, a dark tunnel that shows you absolutely nothing of the city itself. So, skip the tube for just 1 hour. Walk the South Bank instead. Start at Westminster Bridge. Follow the Thames as it guides you past the London Eye, the Tate Modern, and Shakespeare's Globe. It's about an hour at an easy pace, and it costs nothing. The iconic Tower Bridge sits in front of you the entire stretch, a constant, beautiful landmark pulling you forward. London looks completely different from the river path than it does from a train car. You're not just seeing it, you're in it. Logistics. Take the Westminster Tube to start, exit toward the bridge, stay on the south side path heading east. It's that simple. Wear actual walking shoes. This is miles of hard pavement, not a polished mall floor. And if it rains, keep going. Half of London's best atmosphere is wet stone and gray sky. Just pack a light shell and you're fine. Quick reality check. If you're building a full Europe route after London, Baltics, Balkans, the skips nobody puts on the first draft, full guides for every single one are already on the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss the next hidden gem. Back to London. Let's be clear, the British Museum is non-negotiable. This one isn't a skip. Entry is completely free, and the Rosetta Stone alone justifies the entire visit. Seeing this key to ancient languages in person is a profound experience that photos simply can't capture. The pro move? Go on a weekday morning, you'll bypass the worst of the tour group pileups. This gives you the space to take your time and truly connect with the past in the magnificent Egyptian and Greek galleries. Even if you see nothing else, the Great Court, with that incredible glass ceiling, is worth the trip by itself. It's a modern marvel inside a historic treasure chest. It's arguably the single best free attraction in the city, a world-class collection open to all. It's amazing how many people somehow still miss it. Logistics are simple. Take the tube to Tottenham Court Road or Holborn. From either station it's a pleasant 10-minute walk through historic Bloomsbury. Always bag the online free-timed entry when it's offered. It's your golden ticket that saves you from the main door queue on busy days. Don't try to do the whole museum, it's impossible and exhausting. Pick 2 wings that fascinate you, leave wanting more. That's the move. The bag store is optional, but your feet will thank you for the exit. Leicester Square is where tourists inevitably end up, a place that exists simply because it's on the map. It's a sensory overload of giant screens, generic chain restaurants, and overpriced cinemas. This isn't London, it's the London that sells tickets to itself, a theme park version of the city. For a real night out, head one neighborhood over. Soho after dark is where the city actually happens. Authentic restaurants, hidden jazz basements, and tiny pubs down alleys that have been pouring for 300 years. Walk through Soho around 9 p.m. The energy is completely different, more local, more alive. You'll feel the difference in one block. Logistics: take the tube to Tottenham Court Road or Leicester Square, then walk into Soho proper. The key is to head north of Shaftesbury Avenue, not into the square itself. Be warned, the classic pubs get slammed Friday and Saturday after 10. It's a great atmosphere if you don't mind standing. Weeknights are better if you want a seat at the bar. Use the 1 pint rule for your first stop. If the room has no TVs and the bar staff look bored in a good way, stay for another. If it feels like a sterile airport lounge, keep walking. There's always a better place just around the corner. London is not Buckingham Palace. It's not the London Eye. It's the Memorial Steps at 9 a.m., Camden at noon, the South Bank at golden hour, Soho after dark. Skip the postcard. See the real city. Full guides for every single one are on the channel. Which one are you adding to your list?